Select your playground: Pokemon, Peppa Pig, or SpongeBob playground.
Reese's just got legendary.
Okay, this is funny. Would you rather walk like a penguin in the hallway or hop like a kangaroo to class? Hallways just got wild. Choose your favorite subject: math, art, or PE. Drop your pick in the comments. Select your headphones: Charmander, Toothless, or Bluey headphones. Music sounds better with these. Would you rather leave a comment or hit the like button? Why not both? Let's go! Choose your snack: Doritos, Oreos, or a chocolate bar. Perfect fuel for break time. Would you rather be stuck in the library overnight or stuck in the gym overnight? Books or basketballs all night? Choose your school club: marching band, debate club, or robotics. After-school fun awaits. Choose your tablet: Batman, Pikachu, or Hello Kitty tablet. Learning just got way more fun. Oh no, would you rather get caught passing a note or caught sleeping in class? Either way, you're busted. Be honest, would you rather eat cafeteria food every day or packed lunch every day? One risky, one safe. Select your ruler: Minion, Sonic, or Princess ruler. Measure in style. Oh no! Would you rather drop your food tray in the cafeteria or trip in the hallway? Nightmare fuel either way. Here's a weird one. Would you rather wear your uniform on weekends or pajamas to school? Comfort versus confusion. Choose your drink: strawberry milkshake, matcha milk tea, or chocolate milk. All absolutely delicious. Would you rather give a speech to the whole school or sing a song in front of your class? Stage fright incoming. Would you rather have gym class every day or art class every day? Sweat it out or paint it out? Choose your eraser: fruit-shaped, bug-shaped, or galaxy-themed. space vibes hit different. Choose your dream school. Creeper School, Disney Magic School, or Sonic Academy.
This is a tough one. Pick your chair. Among Us, Olaf, or Patrick's Star Chair.
That Among Us one looks kinda sus. Choose your lunchbox. Spider-Man, Hello Kitty, or Pokemon. I'd grab that Pokemon one for sure. Choose your backpack. Hello Kitty, superhero, or creeper backpack. Each one's a whole vibe. Would you rather be the smartest kid in school or the funniest kid in school? Brains or laughs? You decide. Select your pencil case. Zootopia, Stitch, or Minion theme. Minions never get old. Pick your school lunch. Cheesy pizza, juicy hot dog, or sushi box. Can't go wrong here. Would you rather have homework every day or school on Saturdays? Both sound rough. Pick your school uniform. Stylish prep, casual sporty, or wizard robe. Magic school energy right there. Would you rather have an alien principal or a superhero principal? Who runs your school better? This one's tough. Would you rather write with a feather quill forever or do math in Roman numerals only? Both sound painful. Would you rather have a magic pencil that solves math or a magic backpack that carries everything? I need that pencil so bad. Quick, would you rather have unlimited free snacks or unlimited free drinks at school? The ultimate school perk. Ouch! Would you rather get a paper cut from a book or accidentally staple your shirt? Ouch, either way. Think about this. Would you rather always be 10 minutes late or always 20 minutes early? Fashionably late or super early bird? Pick your locker. Superman, Minecraft, or Stitch Locker. Lock up your stuff in style. Select your dessert. Cupcake, fruit bowl, or giant chocolate chip cookie. Sweet decisions ahead. Be real. Would you rather eat lunch next to your crush or next to your favorite teacher? butterflies or good conversation? Would you rather sit in the front row or all the way in the back? Front row focus or back row chill? Pick your school shoes: Spider-Man, Naruto, or Venom sneakers. Walk the halls like a hero. Would you rather go to a fully digital school or a traditional school with no screens? Future versus classic. Select your teacher: Rapunzel, an alien, or a genius dinosaur. Class would never be boring. Choose your gym bag: Hello Kitty, Stitch, or cute dog-themed bag. Tell me your pick in the comments. Choose your notebook: Shrek, Inside Out, or Mickey Mouse. So many moods to match. Choose your desk: Marvel, Frozen, or neon gaming desk. Study time just got an upgrade. Would you rather read minds during a test or pause time during an exam? Superpowers in the exam hall. Dream scenario: would you rather have a 2-hour recess or no homework for the whole year? The ultimate dream decision. This one's epic. Would you rather ride a flying bike to school or a teleporting skateboard? Two epic ways to arrive. Would you rather forget your locker combination or forget your homework at home? Both make your heart drop. Pick your pens: Rainbow, Bluey, or Zootopia pens. Colors everywhere. Would you rather lose your favorite pen or lose your entire lunchbox? Tough trade-off. Pick your school bus: Pikachu bus, SpongeBob bus, or pink Barbie bus. All rides are epic.